Brokers, aiming to grow your business? At SalesRain, we give brokers the chance to partner with us and offer premium service offices across the Philippines, a smart way to upgrade your services and better serve your clients. So, what sets this partnership apart from others? Our spaces are located in prime business districts and are equipped with modern amenities. These give brokers a competitive edge in the market. What's more, we take care of the administrative side so our partners can focus on building relationships and closing deals. Convenient, right? You might be asking, are there any incentives for brokers? Our brokers earn attractive commissions for every successful deal. Plus, they became part of a vibrant network of professionals and receive full support from our dedicated team throughout the process. So, how can interested brokers get started? It's simple. Reach out to us today and let's explore how we can work together.